Thanos is the evil destroyer of universes in the Marvel, universe. You know, the guy we mainly see glimpses of at the end credits of the Avengers movies and a little bit during the film, sort of like LV in the video for Gangsta's Paradise. Thanos is the big bad guy, and to be quite honest, the most insanely powerful character in comics. He was so damn powerful, he became the living embodiment of the universe. How do you even... what? He has powers like matter manipulation, time travel, teleportation, and, oh right, immortality. He's a super genius in all fields of science and just uses all that to obliterate galaxies on a whim. But he still loses to the Marvel superheroes all the time. Why? Well, his weakness is that he subconsciously wants to lose. That's right, Thanos is his own worst enemy. He knows he doesn't deserve to win. He's even confronted about it in the comics, and instead of destroying everyone for even questioning him, he winds up just stuttering, embarrassed, and uncomfortable, like we all just caught him masturbating. Thanos hands over the victory to the hero several times in comics, so we'll have to wait and see if he does it now in the movies or if he's maybe gone to therapy, you know, to work on his own insecurities. Because the only power in the universe that eludes him is the power to believe in himself.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching that video. Click the C in the middle of your screen to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. You know the drill, it's YouTube. If you don't like YouTube, check us out on Amazon Prime. All of our videos are there now, and they're amazing and they look great, and you should watch them there.